grounded the transistor configuration into three categories. The first one is common base configuration, and second one is common emitter configuration, and third one is common collector configuration. So that is, we have three terminals, base, emitter and then collector. Depending upon the terminals grounded, the transistor is classified into three categories, and that is called as configuration. If base is grounded, then it is said to be common base configuration. If emitter is grounded, then it is said to be common emitter configuration, and if the collector is grounded, then it is said to be common collector configuration. Right? So the applications of transistors are, it can be used as a switch as well as amplifier. So for that we have to define an operating region. So as I said earlier, it consists of two junctions. One is emitter based junction and another one is collector based junction. So if both the junctions are forward biased, right? So if both the junctions are forward biased, then the transistor will be operate in saturation mode. The transistor will operate in saturation mode. If emitter based junction is forward biased and the collector based junction is reverse biased, then the region of operation of BJT is active region. In case if both the junction, that is emitter based junction and collector based junctions, both are reverse biased, then the region of BJT is cut off. Right? So there are three regions of operation of BJT here: saturation region, active region and then cut off region. If both the junctions are forward biased, that is emitter based junction and collector based junctions, both are forward biased, then it is said to be in saturation mode. If one junction is forward biased and another one is reverse biased, then the BJT will operate in active region. And if both the junctions are in reverse bias, then it will operate in cut-off mode. So depending upon this region, we can classify the applications of a BJT, right? So if BJT is in active region, it can act as an amplifier, right? So if BJT is operating in saturation and cut-off mode, the application of BJT as switch. So these are the main two applications of BJT. One is amplifier and another one is switch. In saturation and cut-off mode, the transistor can act as a switch. In active region, the transistor can act as an amplifier. So this is the applications of BJT. Right? Thank you.